Adding a subdomain to your Cloudflare is actually very easy, and I'll be teaching you how to do that today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, first of all we want to do is we want to sign into our Cloudflare account. If you are now looking to connect a new domain, we're going to click on add and connect a domain. But if you already have a domain, you can click in the domain and it's going to take you directly to where you can enter the DNS record. So once we're here, we're going to click on manually enter DNS record. Here we're going to put in the domain that we want to point to, and then we're going to click continue. Here we're going to choose the plan that we want. Going to select the free plan. And now we have the manual entry. This is where we're going to add the subdomain. We're going to come to add record, and in here we're going to point to CNAME, which is the type for adding a subdomain. Here we're going to add the subdomain here. So for instance, when we do blog and we add our URL as the target, we're going to get a blog.crossmedia.xyz, and we'll put this here so we know that this subdomain is going to target this. Then you click on save. You're going to click continue to activation to activate a new domain. And if you already have a domain, once you click into that domain under the DNS, it's going to take you here and you can add the record here. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.